Hey guys, we're heading out again. We're heading to the Eastern Shore. I got a client of mine that's got some property over there, wants a bathroom remodel. So we're going to head over there, and he's got 340 acres. It's where we ended the hunting season last year. He's allowing us to archery hunt. So we're going to go hunt and work and sleep and hunt and work and sleep.
Yes.
And it's like a petting zoo over there. So anyway, we are crossing the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel in a wind advisory level 2, and it's windy and cloudy and waves all over the place. Getting ready to go through the tunnel. I think that's where two currents come together and clash.
It must, because it's a bigger, definitely a bigger,
Hey guys, we're out here in the woods looking for a place to put up baby's ground blind. It's still archery season, and we're looking around here. Look how big that oak or pine tree is. They're all like that around here. I'm thinking about maybe over in here somewhere, but we're gonna look around a little bit. When we have it set, we'll let you know. Alright guys, we got my baby's ground blind set up. The winds are doing. We haven't had to pin it down though. We're right here. She's looking at the edge of this field. You waving? Yeah, okay. Looking at the edge of this field. So I'm going to be way down there somewhere. We haven't figured that out yet. But when we get that figured out, we'll let you know that too. But we're covering this field. There's always a lot of deer going up down this path. Hey guys, figured out a place to put my bucket seat. But anyway, on the way back out, you see 1, 2, and more up here. Bunch of scrapes. Hopefully they'll be productive. Good morning guys. Heading to the stand. Becky's already set up in the ground blind. We saw 3 deer on the way to getting ready. It's still pitch black though. It's getting dark. Getting late. I should have already been in stand, but it's okay. We're good. The wind is heavy. We got misting, not heavy rain, but just misting. So when I get to stand, I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, I'm here on my stand. I just got in here before I turned off to the field into the woods. I saw 4 deer down at the end. Right now, the only thing I see is a crane. Hey guys, this is the reason I came to the Eastern Shore. Hunting was just an extra benefit. Got the floor in. Still waiting for the vanity to show up. Hey guys, we got it. Very easy with the ATN thermal, so handheld monocular. So she was easy to find. Went maybe about 80 yards, and here she is. Still had the arrow with her. It was out on the ground, but right where she was at.
All right, what are we doing, baby?
Well, we're gonna go pick up this deer.
It's kind of dark. I can't see you in here.
Yeah, it fits black.
No. What deer is this?
It's a doe for archery season. Yeah. Make detours into the soybean.
All right.
Don't want to do that too much. Farmer might get upset.
I have to do it again.
Yeah.
Well, she's in the back of the Suburban.
Yeah.
Right, baby?
Yep. Time to process.
All right. Let's get her done.
Yep. Love you, baby.
Love you too. Hey, baby, what you doing?
Processing deer.
From what deer was that?
The one I shot yesterday.
Oh, the
Doe.
I'll give you a little peek.
Get ready to do some grind.
Some more. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's the remnants.
Yeah.
And we're stocking up the freezer. Got a good section going. So we'll come back when we get the grind going.
Yeah. This gives people an idea how big this pan is.
Oh yeah, this bowl's huge.
It's like that far. It's only halfway across, so it's about 18 inches across.
I forget how many ounces this is. I'll look it up.
Probably about 10 pounds.
Think so?
Yeah, probably.
That's a lot of grind.
That's what we're looking for, right?
Yep. Well, all right. Let's get it packaged up.
Alright, guys. It's Becky's turn. It's my baby's turn. And she's got the bow, the crossbow. Hopefully, she's sitting in the same spot I did yesterday when I saw 2 deer and got 1. So, hopefully today's her day.
Yeah, maybe it's still a hot spot.
Hopefully. Alright, talk in a little bit, guys.
So we're out in the woods this afternoon. My man's over there with the thermal monocular, seeing if anything shows up hot out towards the field. We have around us here some swamp. But both of us are in the same spot. We'll let you know what happens.
Hey guys, this is the handheld thermal we used the other night to track that deer, and we found it right away. All it is looking for a hot spot, and it worked great. This one does not record. It would probably have been nice to have one to record, but at the time we didn't need one, or we didn't feel the need for one. So there we go. It's an ATN, as you can see, Otis LT, and it's pretty sweet.
Nice.
My baby's going out to take a look at the deer that's in the field. There are about 6 of them out there. Too far to shoot, but she wants to see them. Good morning, guys. It's your favorite hunting duo, I hope. Anyway, we're out here again this morning. We're heading home later on this afternoon, so this will be our last hunt until we get back out in the woods. So hopefully my baby will get lucky this morning and we'll go home with some more deer meat.
That would be good.
That would be real good. All right, we'll talk to you in a little bit. Please subscribe. Hey dear. Hey dear. Hey dear. Yeah. These radishes really have taken. Yeah. I did this at night with that old Ford tractor. Okay. The night before the big Tuesday rain. Right. Yeah. Yeah, it was on the 14th because I planted that night with that old tractor. Right. And I've never had the steering. It was like I had to be on it all night. The mechanic did something to it. Right. And it was wild, but I had to get it done that night because I knew the rain was coming, and thank goodness I did.